So, just a quick recap of our hotel. This is a Hilton Grand Vacation Kingsland, which is the second Hilton property on the Big Island on the uh, western side of the island. Um, you can see we got, and by the way, this is built for people who are on vacation for a while, like over a week, 2 weeks, and so forth, or it's a timeshare. You're gonna spend some time here with kids, washer and dryer, which is pretty cool. We're definitely gonna use that at some point. We're only here for 3 days, but we're still gonna use it. Closet, ironing board, broom, full kitchen. I gotta say, the kitchen is great. Full fridge, freezer, microwave, 4 burner, stove, oven, all the utensils that you need. You really don't need to bring anything. They got exactly what you need for a family of 4. Um, you know, pretty good. Full knife set, dishwasher, sink. It's a great property. In fact, we went all the way to Volcanoes National Park, but just outside the room here, you'll see that we got lava rocks between us and the golf course out there. The Kingsland golf course is part of this resort. Just outside the pool is where you'll find towels and the Keiki Club, which is a cool place with books and games, really a place for kids to get together and hang out. There are also adult activities like yoga and different things that Sierra's checking out there. There's also a game room with about 3 Xboxes, a pool table, ping pong and such. And then there's a fitness center right next to that. There are some people in there right now working out, so I don't want to go in there and disturb them and take video. One thing I want to note, it does become difficult. So we got back to the hotel 8 o'clock last night. There really wasn't any food or drink options. Like the bars were closed, there's no restaurants, there's no vending machines. So if you're looking for a snack, looking for even like a soft drink or something, there are no options. There's nothing here. This entire thing is just closed. But Sierra said that she did know that, or find out that during the day, they offer free shave ice. So if you're here during the day, there's free shave ice, probably right here. They do yoga in the morning, straight ahead. I'm looking for if there's like a free coffee station, but I don't see one, so I don't think there's even free coffee. Loop around this way. The adult pool is over here on this side. Oh, I think I found breakfast. I think breakfast is over here on this side. I do see some people eating. Okay, we're gonna check out. That's gonna wrap up our time here, and that's Hilton Kingsland Grand Vacations. We're also gonna check out the Hilton Waikoloa Village, which is a sister property or linked property to this. Because we're staying here, we have access to that property. We can park there. We have some passes that will allow us to use the pool and so forth. So we're gonna go over there, check it out, use their facilities, spend some time. And we're also going to the Luau. The Luau for Hilton is at that property. So we're going to the Luau tonight at around 5 p.m. or so.
And welcome to the Hilton Waikoloa Village. Staying at the Hilton Kingsland gets us free parking and use of the facilities and pool here. Since we are attending the Legends of Hawaii Luau tonight at 5, we figured it would be fun to spend the afternoon on the property.
You know what I think of when I'm here? I think about that episode of Modern Family when they come to Hawaii and they stay at a resort. I imagine it would be a resort like this. That's what I think of. They have 2 dolphins in here. They're doing the dolphin experience where you can go pet the dolphin. There's one there. There's one there. There's actually one over there too, so it's 3. 4, because there's one on that side as well. So there's 4 opportunities to pet dolphin, and there's 2 more swimming on that side over there by themselves. So that's kind of cool. So the water in this area feeds in from the ocean, just around the corner there. So this is salt water, and you will find fish and other things swimming in here. turtles too. There's a sign on the shack here about the turtles and not touching the turtles. You can rent all this equipment, paddle boards, canoes, those tricycle looking things, snorkeling, all that stuff you can rent at this shack here. We're also going to pick up our towels here. We did find back that way, and I'll show you guys in a minute, there is a vending machine where you swipe your room card and it'll open and you can get towels, but we're not staying here, so we have to show our Kingsland pass to get a towel. That's why Sierra's online trying to get one or two. All right, so we got the blue wristbands. You get the blue wrist and a card, so that's the card that we can use here at the vending machines to get the towels. So problem solved, somewhat. And the towels have to be back by 6, but that's fine because we're going to return them by 5 because we got to go to the luau. So here's the green vending machine here, and let's see her do her magic.
Insert or tap.
Okay, open it. Nope. Oh, try insert then. There you go. Towels down there. Okay. Easy enough. You can rent these cabanas for $175. $175 a day, I'm assuming.
Check out this pool bar menu. It's $18 for a drink. Food and drink are very expensive here, and it adds up if you're going to stay here a few days. In addition to the saltwater lagoon, there are 3 large pools with water slides, bridges, waterfalls, and pool bars. But with a lot of kids playing in the pool, it can feel crowded and chaotic. If you are not staying at a Hilton property, you can purchase a day pass for $50 that gives you access to the pools, water slides, hot tubs, and lagoon. Water equipment is available to rent for a fee and food to purchase.
Okay, so spectacular sunset dining overlooking the Pacific Ocean. That sounds great. 5:30 to 8:30 right here. That's why it's closed right now, because it's not 5:30 yet. But I guess you could dine here and see that. And sunset, because the sun will set directly there. You can see the sun's up there. So yeah, so you get a sunset dining experience right here, unobstructed, assuming no one's walking by. I'm sure that's wonderful. All right, so just beyond the Sunset Restaurant is the end of the property. It looks like there's a bit of a pond there. Maybe they use that area over there for events, I don't know, but this looks like it. And you can go down to the beach there, though it's not much of a beach. Very small sandy area, mostly rock. I wonder if this is where the turtles come up. I have not seen a turtle on this beach yet. We did kind of see one turtle the first day we were on the big island. There was a turtle swimming out in the waters in Kona. Didn't come out the water, but kind of saw him in the water. There is a rope bridge. Fascinating. This is not a bad resort. I would stay here. I think I will definitely come back to Hawaii, and I think I will definitely stay here once on one of those trips. Maybe not the next one, but the 3rd or 4th trip to Hawaii, I could see myself staying here. I think once I've kind of had my fill of all the touristy souvenirs and must-see places in Hawaii, and I'm ready to just kind of dig my feet in the sand and not think about things for a couple days, this would be the place to go. I say that now, but I'd probably regret it later on. So there's microchip technology in every towel. That is fascinating. So they'll know when you return the towel. Fascinating. So this is Lagoon Grill. They got table service and takeout that you can get here. I think they got like, well, here we go. So you got things like the normal shrimp, wings, hummus, summer rolls, burgers, sandwiches, salads, poke bowls, Not a bad spot. Right next to the dolphins. You could sit here, look at the people in the water, maybe the dolphins if they swim over on that side, or this side. Where is a dolphin? I just saw one somewhere. Over there. Right there. So it's about 4:30 now, and you can see the pool area is kind of starting to clear out.
Oh, and also good to note is that the person in front of me just now, they were trying to rent something, and they were also from the sister hotel at Kingsland, and they were trying to rent, like, using their room number, but they were not able to because it's two different systems, so they have to put in their credit card. Okay. So that's just good to know.
I'm not exactly sure where the restaurants are. It is a fairly big property. We saw 2 restaurants so far. I'm sure there are a lot more somewhere scattered around the property. There's a lot more too. There's car rental, convention center, of course. What you're looking at right now is the main area. The main lobby is up those steps there. We're not going to venture too far.
Yeah, we're just gonna stay around this lagoon area because that's where the luau is.
Yeah. So it's almost check-in time for the luau. And the luau is going to be in this area over here. Luau seating right here. Doors open at 5 and you can start checking in at 4:45. So we're just gonna check in with everybody else and start our luau while I wait for Sierra.
Or kalua pig. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this particular dish was prepared for you in something called an imu. Now, an imu is an underground oven. What we do basically is dig a big pit in the ground. We light a fire in that pit. Now, the fire wood we use is a Hawaiian mesquite wood called keawe. Wonderful. Now, when that fire starts blazing, what we do is we line the pit with these porous river rocks. Now, these river rocks hold the heat for a really long time. And when those rocks get white hot, what we do is we wrap our food in banana leaf and tea leaf, and we seal it about 9 to 10 hours. So this dish was actually put in the imu about 8 o'clock, 8:30 this morning. And it's delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, that's pua'a kalua. Give our...
So there are 2 bars. There's a bar there and there's a bar over there. Sierra decided to go to the bar where the staff is getting drinks, and she picked up 2 drinks. And 2 straws. Good job.
So friendly, yeah.
Don't walk.
Fish poke. I feel like I should take a fish poke.
So would you like plum or the honey mustard? Plum.
All right, so quick recap: salad, potato salad, bread, poke, vegetables, pork, roasted chicken, brisket, fried rice underneath. Not a bad spread.